welcome and hi. Today we are gathered together and to do the assignment that are given for us for this week for the SCLC. And for the SCLC, we are given instruction to do based on the SCL file that we already submitted last week. And for the SCL file, we all think that it's about the individual task, and we should brought it to the SCLC as is about the group task. And the group task is ask us to do that, to form a group for 3 or 4 person, and we will clarify our opinion for the picture that we are choose. And right now, okay, for the SCLC also, we are what we are I need to we are need to do a discussion that we
Based on
Based-
SCL5.
yeah based on CFI. Okay.
Okay, actually for the SCL5 that were given last week, we were given 9 pictures, right?
Yeah.
9 pictures of about arts, and we have to choose one picture and describe it. So for this week, we are going to discuss about the pictures that we already described.
Already choose.
Okay, so what to start?
Okay, I will start first. Okay, from those picture, I like to choose this picture. You can see it. Okay. Okay, for SCL 5, there's question that we need to answer. So first question, I interest the most about this photograph is when in one picture I can see one or more than one image. Those photographs give many meaning when I saw it. So for the second question, I would like to describe the painting to a person who could not see it by describing the details of pictures. For example, for picture that I choose, you can see many flying red balloons in one building stuck at the top of the ceiling, and at the center of those balloons tied together with some steel, and the bottom of the steel have many roots, like the tree roots fibers are floating. So for generally, you can describe this picture as the tree are floating in one building and the leaves are red balloons. So that's all for me. Who next want to
But
describe?
in the picture, sometimes I see the balloons like cherries.
Yes, I agree with you. Because it's too red, right?
Yes, and in the sphere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like I think that it look like tree that are floating. Yeah.
Floating tree.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's a
Like
floating
it
tree.
has.
No, dear.
It doesn't have wing, but
So kalau so if it's about the floating tree, so it's mean that it was a balloon,
balloon with gas,
helium.
Him.
helium.
So it can, yeah,
It can float.
float.
Very interesting picture.
Yes, and
Yes.
easier to describe for me.
But not for me.
Okay.
I think that when I see those roots, it quite miserable.
Maybe the artist tried to show that at that time he was
Flying. He was at moon.
maybe he has problems
Yes, maybe.
that time,
Yeah.
and he wanted to express
Flying.
his feeling through painting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
For the next picture, for the next elaboration is I choose those picture. Okay, you can see it. I choose those picture. From the first view, I think that it is quite unique and it's quite luxury because it just used the chair as the subject. But for the first time I saw it, it was a chair, and it was a wall. There was a wall. There was a white wall, and the picture is just use the two tone of colors, which is white and black. So it's quite interesting for me to choose it. And then for the chair, I don't know why does the artist choose the chair for for his subject, but I think that for me, I think that the artist choose it because maybe the chair has the memory itself about the artist, about the artist's life. So that's why just choose the chair because I think that it can. I think that she or he can choose other object like as bicycle, like a chair.
Maybe he doesn't have bicycle.
Yeah, or maybe yes, its own memory. And for the white, I think that it was a wall. It was a wall with that elastic wall, which the chair are trying to expose itself, but it has a tone, just a little bit tone to just shown just a little bit expose the just a little bit of chair. And I think that maybe the person are trying to expose itself, but it can because of the hardship of his or she life lifestyle. And I think it's hard for him. The one maybe miss at as the
Something that prevent him from escaping.
something escaping
Maybe from his problems.
maybe for his problem it's very big problem because just a bit of the chair are exposed, not all of it. Maybe the wall is mean very big problem. I think.
Maybe
Okay.
he was in a hard situation.
Yeah, that's why he do that art. That's quite difficult art for me to
Describe.
describe in her. But it's quite interesting about the picture. Okay, what do you think about this picture? You all think about this picture?
I still confused why the chair is a subject
Yeah,
of this
same to
picture.
me.
Can you explain?
Yeah, explain more. Yeah, just like what I said, that the chair maybe has its own memories about the hardship of his life. He want to expose its memories, but he can't because of the wall. Wall as the big problem. Yeah, that's what I see about this. Okay. Any other
I think
clarification?
it was hard for us to describe the picture because it was too plain. Like it
Yeah.
just has a plain wall and then suddenly a chair there.
We
And for us, just ordinary people, it's hard to to think more.
yeah, we think more.
Beside her
Just
picture.
because it's just have
We-
a chair and wall.
We just
So-
see the thing on the surface, so
We don't know
we don't know what
Yeah.
what
Okay,
he or she think.
can continue for the next picture.
the balloon picture.
Okay.
Oh, you just choose the same as she choose.
Yes. The picture is same with her. But in my opinion, the most interest about this photograph is balloon as the replacement for the leaf of tree. The function of picture showing that leaf of tree produce oxygen to environment. Oxygen will reduce the global warming. This balloon also show the function of leaf of tree with is absorb carbon dioxide. the painter wants to send message about the green nature in unique way.
Maybe
Yeah,
he
yeah.
loves nature,
Yeah.
Yes, maybe.
but he doesn't like green.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
want
He used red balloons.
as a
Or
leaf.
maybe he see agree.
Maybe
Oh, maybe.
At
He
the time,
agrees.
they agree.
maybe you want to show that the tree produce something. It doesn't want to show the
Maybe the red color represent the oxygen.
Okay, that's a nice.
oxygen. I couldn't see the
colour.
oxygen as a red. Okay,
Okay, next.
But why do you think that it was balloon?
Mm.
I think it is balloon
I
because
thought it was cherry.
the uses of balloon as replacement of the leaf metaphor. It is also can show that photosynthesis happen in the leaf.
Oh, that's why
Okay.
it
A balloon.
expand.
Yeah,
The
yes.
balloon
It was doing
expand.
process.
Yeah,
Was
it
processing.
was absorbing the
Carbon
carbon
dioxide.
dioxide. Yeah, was doing the
So
photosynthesis process. Yeah.
when carbon dioxide is turning to oxygen, it becomes red.
I think that those
The
picture is quite interesting for the global warming campaign. They should use those picture because it's quite difficult but it's quite
And
interesting
it can be
too.
described in many ways.
Yeah. You can use to for the global warming campaign.
Yes.
No point.
Do you want to do a global warming campaign?
Yeah. Maybe. Depends.
Because it's very hot recently.
Yeah.
The weather is not
That's true.
quite weird.
They should prevent from this stuff global warming. Okay.
Okay, the next
Okay,
picture.
next picture. Okay.
Oh.
It's quite
It's nice.
It's nice. Okay.
very
Okay,
interesting.
Very nice.
for NCR5, I choose that picture to be described because I think this painting very unique and creative.
Yeah.
Because from my perspective, what can I describe about the picture is that it could twist people's eyes and mind.
Well,
You
okay.
know why? Because at first I was confused too about this picture. On the left side we can see that things like poles and gates above the
Yes.
water. But when we look at the right side, we can see it is
Should be
actually
becoming-
ships. The
Yes.
ships in white color.
becoming
So
to change.
when we look at the whole picture, there are two different things that the artist want to try to express. Maybe I don't know, but maybe he can see many. He can see many things in one situation.
Or
Yes.
maybe show it characteristic.
Yes.
In one situation, it can be many type of characteristic that you want to show. Yeah. Any other addition?
Anyone wants to conclude first?
Okay, I think that each picture has its own memories, has its own ideas. I think that for the artist to show us. So it depends for individual to see about the picture.
From the picture that I choose, I can see that maybe his point that we should not see one thing in just one way. Maybe we can see one thing and describe it many different ways. So this those were my way to describe. So maybe other people has their own ways to describe this picture.
So from the
Different.
picture, I think the artist I want us to think out of box and many
Extraordinary.
yes as There's many ways to describe as we
Yeah.
already discussed.
Discuss.
Yes. So that's for me.
About me, my conclusion about this photograph the attraction of this tree is the unit of the balloon will take people interest about this picture. The color of balloons also giving attraction to the people. This is suitable for all people to describe and understand message of this picture.
Okay,
That's all
I
my conclusion.
think that's all from us. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Bye.
Bye.